Okay, moving right along. Greetings one and all. If you missed any of the previous videos, links will be below. Let's jump right into water. Okay, so clearly water is super important. So you could store water in an Nalgene, even though the bottles can run a few bucks. You can store them in, really any kind of storage, any kind of container with a screw lock or a screw cap. You can even buy these pouches of water. I don't know what these run. I'll have to look. Maybe I'll throw some links in the description. But I have seen these for sale. Of course, I think the easiest method would just be to go with the gallon. You can get these at the store for 99 cents. And if you're a milk drinker and you drink milk out of these, you can get these at the store and just simply rinse it out or wash it out and fill it with water. Then you've got, you just store these anywhere you can. Now I've seen the individual bottled water. So water bottles like this you can get by the case, or if you want to upgrade and get these kind. With these, I see a lot of people buying these by the case pack, but if you wait until they're on sale, you can save yourself a lot of money. And I do love saving money. Another alternative is if you drink a lot of these sports drink bottles, because they have a screw cap. Okay, so let's talk water filters. Okay, so I'm no water filter expert, but you have your Life Straws, your Sawyer Mini, your Sawyer Mini. Then you have your Cat9 Hiker Pro, or if you want to go with the treatment option, there's always the water treatment tabs. But then you gotta have, you gotta make sure you read the directions on the proper amount of water. And I guess, from my understanding, it's not the most pleasant taste, but it's still an option you could go with. As you can tell by the package, I've yet to try these. So, but another option. And of course, so we have a natural spring that flows basically right through the middle of our complex. And to be honest, I've never not seen water flowing through here, even in the middle of the summer. But I will be more mindful of the water levels going through. So it'll be something to think about. That's a nice touch too, I think.